Best deals. Made from heavy-duty plastic and steel material that lasts and lasts. These bathroom shelves not only hold all your toiletries with ease, they make the bathroom look that much better. Magic Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Bathroom shelves. Easy installation, waterproof and high load bearing capacity. Once installed on any smooth and flat surface, the product can easily take a load of up to 5 kg. Also, it has no adverse effect of even continuous running water over it. It's durable and sturdy, ensure longevity. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Toilet paper holder. Thoughtfully designed. Perfect size that fits even in congested space. Additional provision has been provided to keep your mobile phone on it. Press and flat the Magic Sticker pad, squeeze the air out from middle to edge. Fit the toilet paper holder on the hooks given on sticker and you are done. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Bathroom shelf. These are as handy in a kitchen as well as in bathroom. All it needs is a smooth surface to stick onto. Never falls off. High load bearing capacity of 5 kg. Comes with a provision to hang towel napkins, thus increasing its utility. Simply choose a smooth surface such as tiles, glass, metal, to install your Magic Sticker series kitchen and bathroom accessories. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Bathroom shelves. Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Bathroom shelves with towel holder. A wide single towel bar or napkin holder is perfect for hanging hand towels or face towels, could be set up in kitchen, bathroom or living room. It's durable and sturdy, ensure longevity and durability. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Bathroom shelf. Used to organize all of your bathroom accessories like shampoo, shower gel, lotion, and other toiletries. Can be a perfect shower caddy with no effect of water on the product. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Towel holder. Make sure you are using the product on a clean and smooth surface. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Shower caddy. This shower caddy has high load bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg. Use it as a bathroom rack to store the lotions, shampoos and toners in the bathrooms and also to keep the spice jars, condiments jars, sauce bottle in the kitchen. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Bathroom shower shelf. Clean. The shelf is especially designed to ensure that it does not lean forward when loaded. Adhesive-based Magic Sticker is 100% water resistant. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Bathroom shelf and towel holder. This adhesive bathroom shelf is the perfect way to storage large bottles of shampoo in your bathroom without sacrificing your storage space. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Steel shelf. Made up of stainless steel. A sleek edge around the shelf is designed specifically to prevent any falls from this bathroom accessories storage organizer shelf. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Corner shelf. Keep your kitchen or bathroom organized and clean. Compact yet have sufficient capacity for holding shampoo, conditioner, kitchen spice bottle to meet your different demands. Ideal for kitchen, bathrooms, guest bathrooms and powder rooms. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Steel bathroom shelf. Suitable for installation on tiles, glass, mirrors, laminates, marble, metal or any other smooth surface. Load bearing capacity up to 5 kg. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Soap stand. Simply choose a smooth surface to install your soap stand on wall. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Towel rod. Strong adhesiveness protects against water and provides extra strength and durability. Keep your face towels ready for personal use with the elegant style and finish of this towel rods. Dual rod feature gives you enough space to hang your towel or clothes simultaneously. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Towel ring. Comes with strong self-adhesive magic sticker. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Corner towel holder. Made up of ABS material and has high load bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kilograms with powerful adhesion system. Turn any corner into elegant and useful storage organizer with this corner towel holder. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Toothbrush holder. Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls, making the bathroom appear more cleaner and neater. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Cutlery holder. Organizer comes with 3 storage compartments which allow you to organize the space for your cutlery such as spoon, fork, chopstick, knives, spatula, ladle and 4 hanging hooks, with small sized drain holes in the bottom of each container. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Tissue paper holder. Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Hook for kitchen. Never falls off from the wall once you stick it. Magic sticker strong adhesiveness protects against water and provides extra strength and durability. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Corner shelf. The shower shelf for inside shower has water filter hole in the center and hollow design of the bottom can quickly drain the water. In addition, the recessed carousel is detachable. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Soap dish. Self-adhesive holder slotted design and drawer tray design make the soap drain and dry naturally, away from kitchen soap holder getting soft and mushy. Holders for bathroom is a perfect soap saver for shower, bathroom, bathtub, counter, kitchen. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Bathroom shelf. With its smooth, modern styling geometric design and polished white finish, the no drilling and crystal clear adhesive stickers, all making this wall-mountable shower storage organizer matches perfectly with any room decor. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Corner organizer. This set of shower organizer includes 2 tiers shower shelf corner with 4 movable hooks. Hooks can hang bath sponge, washcloth and brush. You can adjust the distance between 1 tier's black shower shelf. Shower shelves can satisfy more holding space for shampoo, conditioner, razor, body washing, facial cleanser, and other clean or shower accessories. Shower shelf is made of aluminum material, hard and durable, no rust, no fading and no deformation. You can use the rust-proof corner shower shelf for years. Thickened design can promise to hold more weight, up to 40 pounds. The hollow bottom design help drain fast, to keep bath accessories clean and dry. The black color and smooth arc edge design convey modern decoration. Product link is given in the 25th link.